Hello everyone, my name is Chantel with Chantel's Pretty Little DIYs, and today I am so excited to share some fall crafts with you all. So please, without further ado, let's jump into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be sharing with you these beautiful fall decor that I created. I cannot wait for you to see how it turned out. So this vase I got from Homegoods and the Pampas grass I got from Amazon. I will be linking everything down below so that you can purchase it directly from the site, and if I cannot find it, I'll definitely link something similar to it. These gold branches I also got from Amazon. They were very inexpensive. The only thing about the pampas grass, it really sheds a lot, so you might want to spray it with some water before you start to use it. I didn't do that personally, but as you can see, it was shedding all over the shelves. So just remember to spray it with some water. Do you see how beautiful the blue, the gold were meshing together? It is so beautiful. When I tell you, the camera does not do this any justice. So here's the end product, and it's simply beautiful. So I purchased these candles at HomeGoods as well. I was hoping to use them over the summer for a beach theme that I had in mind, but I was unable to do the beach theme over the summer, so I figured why not use them in my fall decor since I wanted a variety of colors. I wanted everything to be vibrant, so of course it went perfectly with the decor. So the vase I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I just added some metallic tape around them to make them look beautiful. And the pumpkins I either purchased at HomeGoods, on Amazon, or at Burlington's. Okay, y'all, here is the finished product. Isn't that beautiful? I love how the colors are syncing with each other. I just love how earthy it looks. So these are some Christmas branches that I purchased from my local neighborhood 99-cent store, and I wrapped it around itself and I just rested it on the pumpkin. The pumpkin was purchased at HomeGoods. Isn't that beautiful? I love the way it turned out. This decorative bowl was purchased at my local neighborhood 99-cent store for $2.95, believe me. The decorative balls were purchased at HomeGoods. And I'm just stacking them on top of each other, creating a pattern, adding colors. I purchased these pumpkins last year at HomeGoods, and they are so beautiful. They're so natural looking, and they're not so brightly orange, so it really did balance the decor. Here comes my favorite part, adding the whites and my blue pumpkin. I am so in love with this color this year. I don't know why. I added a yellow pumpkin to balance the colors out, and it turned out so well. So here is the finished product. Isn't that so gorgeous and just beautiful with all the colors? Each one of them is popping in their own right. That is so beautiful. This styrofoam pumpkin was purchased at my local neighborhood 99-cent store. I spray painted with Rust-Oleum paint, and here it is. So these are flowers that I have recycled from last year's craft. So I've decided to use them in this craft. I always recycle all of my flowers and use them into other craft. I never really throw them out. So these are, I don't remember where exactly I purchased them from, if it's Michael's or it might have been my neighborhood 99-cent store as well. As you can see, I'm just going with the flow, just adding flowers. I'm just sticking the flowers to the styrofoam pumpkin and just creating a pattern. As you can see, I'm adding some hydrangeas, and I have some blue remnants from old floral arrangements I'll be adding to it so that we can continue with the blue theme this year. Actually, this is my first time using blue in any Thanksgiving decor. I always stick to the same orange colors. Also guys, do not be afraid to leave a comment if you would like to see me do a certain decor style. I'm here to grow with you all. I'm here to expand, so I am new to YouTube and I am definitely open to learning from you all. So if you have any suggestions of any decor, hit me up in the comment section. Once again, I thank you so much for watching and thank you for coming to my channel. I really appreciate you being here, and as I keep mentioning, I am looking to grow with you, so please share this with your friends, your family, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Come on, if you help me with the algorithm, we'll grow together, and guess what? I'll be able to post more, and you will for sure get to see and experience more of my work. So please, let's grow together. Hit me up in the comment section, like, share, and watch the magic happen. I thank you so much for coming to my page. I thank you. I appreciate you. Okay, y'all, here's the finished product. We're going to see what everything looks like on the shelves. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. And here's what you've all have been waiting for. Isn't that beautiful? By the way, I did go ahead and change the gold pumpkin to a royal blue pumpkin. I thought it looked way better. And I've incorporated throughout the decor. But look at how amazing all of these colors came together. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give me a like, share, subscribe for more. As I mentioned, I do have more exciting DIYs coming your way. I cannot wait to share them with you. So please give me a thumbs up. Let's grow together. See you in the next one.